Building this kind of smart classroom is an unprecedented experience for Taipei City. The whole team was fully devoted to this task. Starting from transportation, no elevator in schools could hold an 86-inch display. All was done by manpower. A display was even carried to the 7th floor. Everyone was exhausted. We were also removing the blackboards. Every blackboard was a surprise. No one knew a brick wall was behind the blackboard. So we filled in the cracks with cement. For almost 100 out of the 296 classrooms in total. We did spend a lot of time, work, and effort on it, in the hope that all teachers and students could see the brand new equipment when they're back to school. The purpose of building smart classrooms in Renai Junior High School is to correspond to the implementation of the 2019 new curriculum. With the interactive flat panel added in our smart classrooms, we could put digital teaching and learning into practice. Students became happier in class, much more involved in learning, and highly motivated. The implementation of smart classrooms is very helpful, no matter for teachers' curriculum design or for education breakthrough. Thanks to the interactive flat panel, students became very passionate. No one dozed off in class anymore. Instead, they became really focused. It boosted teacher-student interaction as well as real-time feedback. After intensive constructions and installations during the winter break, our teachers started using the IFPs from the beginning of the new semester. The operation was smooth for both cable and wireless connections. The advantage of wireless solution is that teachers can now walk around the classroom to see what the students are doing, to know their actual learning status. Students also had positive feedback. We tried out the IFPs when answering questions. They were a lot of fun. Handwriting recognition makes text neater, so we can see the words more clearly. The timer function is helpful. As a result, we wouldn't spend too much time on answering questions. The IFPs flicker free and low blue light protects our eyes. Students have expressed that, no matter if they are seated in the front or the back rows, the display could be seen very clearly. Video recording allows teachers to record teaching materials, which could be further used for other purposes. As a civics teacher, we often need to discuss current news topics in class. Hence, group discussions is a daily event in my classes. This interactive flat panel really enriches the ways teachers and students have to carry out real-time interactions. Students can experience what it feels like to write on the IFPs, getting to try out this high-tech product in person. In addition to sharing the answer, teacher can check and make corrections directly on the display. This strengthens teacher-student relationship, making lessons more diverse and fun. Through the account management system, IT administrators can set up accounts and enable permissions for teachers. Teachers can store their teaching materials on cloud storage or NAS. By scanning the NFC card, teachers can log onto their account to access personal teaching materials and files. Xime Broadcast could deliver text messages or even YouTube videos via IFP, which is really convenient. Our expectations towards smart classrooms are to enhance teaching on the specific objective, to elevate students' learning motivation, using 5G technology for exceptional speeds, using big data to analyze information, using AI for machine learning. Only when learning is supported by all the above new technologies could smart classrooms become meaningful. To make this smart classroom possible, we gathered help from various partners, including the original manufacturers, vendors, installation workers, etc. We still have some follow-ups to run afterwards, including assisting teachers to use this display on site, making dynamic teaching methods possible. The implementation team was very devoted to this project, no matter in integrating hardware and software, or in connecting and interfacing with other equipment. They endeavored to satisfy the needs of students and teachers. All this makes the learning environment of smart classrooms more dynamic and friendly, which also meets the trends for teaching in the future.